Hello, my hair is messy. Don't pay attention. Would you rather see me like this? I have the hiccups. Yeah, so you should be. I think they went away. But nope. I jinxed it. This is my puppy Lola. That's my dog Lola. Oh gosh. Oh, not my hair radish. No. See? No, it's better. There we go. That's good enough. Wanted to say I'm gonna post more. I'm gonna play some music in this. You guys already hear it. This is a cool effect. This is a cool effect, right? Yeah, I know it's a cool effect. Ooh, here, ooh, here, ooh, here, ooh, here. I'm gonna. I'll see you later. Bye.